Star, the prototype, flew for the first time on the 8th of January 1944 as the P-18 Shooting Star. It was the first American jet fighter at the time. It was evolved during the Second World War, of which 4 aircraft were deployed to Europe, 2 to England and 2 to Italy. The aircraft never got to see any combat action during World War II. The jet age was developing very fast, and the T-33, or actually the P-80 Shooting Star, proved to be an aircraft that was obsolete quite quickly as displayed here for use today. That was designed by was designed by Kelly how to fly jets at the time. The T-33 was produced including the Norwegian Air Force, which had this airplane from 1952 to 1968, and it was a very common sight around Europe. Even though it's mostly known as a trainer, the T-33 Shooting Star also is a true warbird and a true adventure.